Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Happy Birthday Poco Loco. Poco is a very unusual ration. He invents wacky things like a motorcycle mop, and his vacuum cleaner is a robot. That's why everyone thinks he is one crazy mouse. That's why they call him Poco Loco. Please come palazzo, beeps Robo Vacuum. Today is Poco Loco's birthday. He's planning the best fiesta ever. Ding dong! Poco Loco's amigos are here. Please, caplazo, crows Gallo. I hope your fiesta isn't like last year, meows Gallo. My tail is extra twisted, oinks Cerdo. The piñata propeller blew everything away, moos Vaca. Don't worry, amigos, said Poco Loco. This year, my fiesta will be perfecto. He turns on his newest invention, the cake baking bunk bed. Delicious, burps Robo Vacuum. We need another pastel, winks Cerdo. No, hey, problemo, squeaks Poco Loco. Gets Lachey, Harnia, Accuser, and Huvos. Muy delicious, burps Robo Vacuum. Mas pastel, por favor. Robo Vacuum has muchos mas, Liche, Harna, Azúcar, and Huvos. It cranks the power to maximo. Boom! Where is Gallo? Poco Loco grabs surfboard slippers. He lowers the scarf until it almost disappears. Gallo! Where is Gatto? Poco Loco pulls out a pogo pencil. He takes a deep breath and pounces into the pastel. Gatto! Where is Cerdo? Poco Loco casts the flashlight fish rod and fishes in the frosting. Cerdo! Where is Vaca? Poco Loco throws a radio rope. He turns it onto the volume and squeaks, Vaca! As loud as he can. Vaca! Robo Vacuum also rises out of the cake and starts sucking a giant whirlpool. Mas pastel! Adios! At least he didn't ask for ice cream, moves Vaca. That's it! Poco Loco remembers his other birthday invention, the super duper ice cream scooper. Poco and Robo Vacuum clean up the mess. Burp. Gracias. Poco Loco shout. Gallo, Gatto, Cerdo, and Vaca. You saved the day. But there's no more pastel, squeaks Poco Loco. My fiesta is a disaster, just like last year. Sorpresa, crows Gallo. We made unpastel, but we hid it, meows Gatto. And I lit it. And I lit it, La Vela, winks Cerdo. Now it's time for Una Cancino, moves Vaca. Please, complaints. Poco Loco. Sing Gallo, Gatto, Cerdo, Vaca, and Robot Vacuum. Mi favorito, squeaks Poco Loco. With lots of ice cream. Please complaints, Pocoyo. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!